Well, I've been here 50 years in November, and I'm 71, and it's time to retire. So I've got everything 60% off, except for the Traxxas. But
Okay. And what's a Traxxas?
it's RC cars. My son's wanting to put in a hobby shop, and that's his inventory. So I had the Radio Shack, and I'm trying to get rid of everything so I can retire.
Yeah.
Well, I want to just try to do nothing for a while.
Yeah, that sounds awesome.
I've seen a lot of changes from tubes to integrated circuits. It's changed tremendously in the last, especially in the last 10 years. We used to do a lot of service, but that service business is pretty well gone. It's just used to work on a lot of VCRs and TVs and cassette decks and 8-track decks. Well, Guymon's a nice little town. It's, you know everybody, and except now you don't hardly know anybody. It used to be you knew everybody. But I basically started out in my garage repairing stuff, and and then expanded out. And one time I had a Radio Shack store in Liberal, Guymon, and Dumas. I sold the one in Liberal. Dumas, I just liquidated it, and I'm now just down to what you see. Everything's 60% off except Traxxas, and the reason is my son is going to try to do a hobby shop, and that's actually his inventory. It's going to be probably in this location, and then my daughter wants to do a maker space, and then of course my son wants to expand the 3D printing aspect of it.
Yeah.
He's got a 3D printer, several 3D printers. Come in and get the bargains.